So this is the anamorphic lens from GoPro for the Hero 13. Now I've heard some buzz around it, like this is GoPro's best lens. This is gonna revolutionize the way you shoot with GoPro. But is it?
Mr. Black.
And by the way, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. And in this case, I actually went out and got this lens for the GoPro because of all of that hype. So GoPro did not send this to me. I just wanted to get it and see if it makes my footage look more cinematic. I mean, and yes, with these lines up at the top and the bottom, it kind of does. And also when you put the lens on, the GoPro recognizes that the anamorphic lens is on there, changes to that, so you don't have to do any post-production. It's essentially a wide lens that doesn't have the warping around like you'd normally see. It also gives you that 21:9 ratio, which on a 16:9 timeline gives it those black bars. You can change the digital lens from linear to ultra linear to wide or ultra wide. I think for like vlogging, the linear actually looks the best for like this kind of scenario. It makes it look cinematic. If you're trying to get that anamorphic action shot, yeah, you'd want to get the wider angles. But the wider you get, the more the horizon looks curved. Take that, flat earthers. You can get 5.3K resolution, 60 frames per second, so we could slow it down half speed. And I get that the first instinct when you look at the footage is, wow, that looks really cool, that looks really sharp. And because of the shape of it, you also get those lens flares. And no, I don't like it. It's like always a rainbow or something, and it's very distracting. Also, the sides are blurry. I know that with cinematic, we want to have a more fixed focus on the subject, but I mean, this is just blurry edges, really. I feel like I can just use this regular image with a normal GoPro and crop that down to look more cinematic, and that looks better than if I'm using the anamorphic lens. And maybe with a little bit more testing, I could probably get better footage. But after what I've shot and like looked at, it kind of makes me not really want to use it because you're just gonna ruin your shot. Now you can possibly make it a little bit better by going into the settings and going down and turning denoise to low and also sharpness to medium. But I mean, still. I did a third-party anamorphic lens video a while back and it looked way more cinematic with its lens flares and just looked a lot more natural and cinematic. And yes, I know this is an action camera. I shouldn't be giving it any more credit than that, but this is a GoPro-made attachment, and I just expected more from it. Like their ultra-wide lens is great, their macro lens is sometimes useful, but maybe GoPro's best option in this case is to stick to being GoPro, the best all-around action camera. And this is not me hating on the GoPro. I still think the Hero 13 is a really good camera. I just expected more from the anamorphic side of it. I was kind of excited about it, but eh. But those are my thoughts, and maybe you're thinking something different as you're looking at the footage. I'd love to know what your thoughts are on this anamorphic lens and what you've seen so far. Let me know in the comments. But if you're watching this and you want to see some other really cool GoPro accessories, I have a lot of them, but I'll pick 4 of them on the screen right here. Actually, YouTube thinks you'll like this one the best, so I'll give you a second to click one of those.